of grub, baby.
Cast it out, Colton. Good job.
He's about maybe.
Well, I couldn't get my camera on fast enough, but
dang. Yeah, this was for you, Ryan. Canyon Lake.
That's nice. Dang.
Full of grub, baby.
Man, swallowed that thing.
No, he's in the. Brown. That's what that guy caught that other one on was brown. I don't have a scale in it.
I do.
See? He's gonna go 4.5.
Yeah, that's nice.
Devin, he can't find his scale. He's nervous.
Crap the scale.
Dang, he was hooked hard in the tongue. What do you got to say about your dad now?
Good job.
Did Dad make you proud?
Yeah, I wish
oh, he's
Colton was
bleeding
here.
like a sieve. Let me get him wet. 5 1/4. I was gonna say that too, dang it.
Nice.
Give me a
Dang. Good job.
Take a picture with that and send it to me.
All right. Let's try to get oxygen back in him. There he goes.
Did it!
Yay! That's your first retirement bass.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Last.
That's awesome.
That was awesome. Good old Puddingstone.
Caught it
I said
right
Mariloma.
here.
I was being funny.
Yeah, we're at Puddingstone right now.
He just picked it up and started going with it. I didn't even feel him bite it.
Yeah, Carolina rig. Nice.
I think it's just the color more than it is anything.
Think so?
Yeah. I'll force it to film.
All right.
Yay! We're both out of the skunk club.
Work.
Well, it's not working then. It's filming. Oh, looky here! Looky here! Now he can use this. Yay! We're out of the skunk club. It's how come your screen's... Oh, there. It's because I got my glasses on.
All right.
Yay! Can you take pictures with this?
Guy. You got to switch it off to the camera.
Oh.
All right. Well, I didn't get skunked, so I'm happy.
Yay! Dang! So much for the East End not being any good. That's a nice fish.
He's pretty fat too.
Yeah. I want to do a turnaround panoramic for our last adventure, maybe at Puddingstone before we go to Paradise. Well, in the old days, I've been through here 1,000 times, never caught nothing, heard all the legends, seen people do it on YouTube, and we came through here and ended up with a 4-pounder and a little 2-pounder.
5 1/4.
Oh, 5 1/4. That's right. I knew that.
Yeah.
I guessed it at 4.5. Duh. Anyway, beautiful day. All the poor people working.
Yeah.
Yay!
All right. Let's take a picture now.
Doesn't know what's going on.
He's got his fishing pole.
Look, he's got his pole. I'm gonna get you.
Where should we go?
You can walk down over there. What's going on, Colton? Hey! What are you doing? It's a cool airplane.
What are you doing, little Bulbasaur? You're in for a treat. You see what you got coming.
We're ready.
Grandpa already caught a big old whale.
20 pounds.
Picture?
Yeah, they look nice.
What are you doing?
I'll take it.
Where is this? Meat buckets. There they are. There's my meat buckets. Hey. Hey,
Colton
little
knows
guy.
Colton knows they're called meat buckets.
Hi.
Because I say, what's a meat bucket? So he eats over the
What are you
babies.
doing?
That's funny.
What are you doing? Oh, good. Mom got you a good one.
Well, it's for 30
Here, let me
pounds.
see him. And you got 2 hands.
Go with Papa.
Come here, diaper boy. Come here. Jump, jump, jump.
Yay!
You're crazy. Today's a special day. Yes, it is. I wish you could have been there to see your dad catching fish.
Colton, you ready to go on the boat?
That's your first time in a bass boat. You're gonna like this. Tried it on the morning?
It's a little for the heavier, but they didn't have any other ones.
Look at you. That fits. It's good.
It's a little lighter.
It's certified. It's good.
You ready?
Alright.
You ready?
Sit like that. So why is this off to the side? Well, I know, but I think, imagine it. Why is it off to the side?
Just wraps around his leg.
If they had 2 of them, it would make sense over here.
2 hours later.
Alright, you ready? Are you ready to rumble? Rumble, rumble.
Yay!
Gotta go get a big one.
Smile!
Alright.
Colton!
Got a hat.
Whoa, we got Papa's hat.
I got sunscreen.
Go to the back.
Oh, me go to the back?
Yeah, all the way back here.
Here we go!
Colton, is this cool?
Heck yeah, it's cool.
Yeah!
Is this cool? Papa's happy.
Hell yeah. I've been waiting for this day a long time.
What do you think, Colton? You don't know?
What do you think, huh, buddy? You got your rod, you're ready to go.
Is it pretty cool?
Hell yeah, it's cool. Wait till you see what we're gonna do. You little guy. I love you and miss you. Miss you. Okay, you ready? You wanna go fast? Yeah, we're gonna go that way. You get that right. You ready? Here we go. Make sure the motor's all the way in. Here we go. Ready?
Ready?
Count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay.
What'd you think? Is that cool?
Is that cool? Cat got your toe? Huh? Oh, Grandpa missed you.
He doesn't know what to think.
Oh, you look like a super ginger out in the sun.
I know.
Yeah, it's all orange.
Love you. Love you.
Let's see if we can find the Christmas trees. What do you think?
You like
1, 2, 3. I think he had a lobotomy.
Yeah.
Is it fun, babe? Is it fun?
You want to go over there?
Ducky.
Pointing at the duck over there?
Yeah, come right.
You gonna fish with Papa?
Want to fish with it?
Hell yeah, you go fish with Papa.
How cute.
Catch one. Gotta find that rock pile from memory.
Start playing.
He's fishing, guys.
Yay!
Should I actually put something on there for him?
We could.
Hey, I'm on the rock pile, Devin.
Yeah.
That was a good
Good
catch.
job, Colton. You're fishing.
Yay, Colton. Cast it out. Cast it out. Cast it out, Colton. Good job.
Boy.
Did you see him?
Yeah. That's a little Devin. That's what he is. You're a good baby. I love you. Grandpa loves you.
Good job,
Good job,
Colton.
We're gonna get a Gigi,
Yeah.
and we're gonna put it in Mima's fish tank.
Turn around into the wind.
Colton, are you gonna get one?
What's that noise underneath?
Say yeah.
Devin,
What?
what's that noise? Shad?
Yeah. You gonna catch a big one, Colton?
I bet he is. What's he doing? He's
Here,
really...
you fish.
Just looking over the edge.
You fish, Colton, Devin.
really good catch. We've seen it.
There you go. Now you're ready.
All right.
Good job.
Wow,
Oh,
Colton.
you're natural.
You're beating your dad. Your dad did it at 3 years old. It's you, buddy.
Good job, Colton. You got your It's like the kid in a Christmas story.
Slow-mo. Oh, his shoe came off.
Is that cool, Colton?
He still wants those. That's all he's pointing at
That's
the
all
whole
he
ride.
cared about, huh? Well, he
Wants
knows
all
the
the lures in
collector's
there.
items by the time he gets old enough to be on the Bassmaster Classic.
Yeah.
So old now.
Whew.
You're an old
Water's
man
cold.
already, Brubs.
Want to fill the water, Colton?
Yay, Colton. I'm gonna
Cool
get
down?
pictures.
Cool down?
Send them to him.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's see if I can do it with my sunglasses on.
Going in?
Got your worm in your hand?
Does that feel good?
Yeah?
His whole outfit has
You like
sharks
being
on
out
it.
there?
Even the shoes and the top.
You shark boy?
Is it cool here?
What do you got there, Colton? You got your work? Alright.
Yeah.
Swim?
Telling her all about it? Yeah. Trying to grab that leaf? He can't bend over in his vest.
Where's trying to use Jedi mind power. Trying to bring a worm out of the water.
You gonna keep that worm forever?
He's gonna sleep with it.
Yeah? Oh, your worm sank to the bottom.
Get it, Colton.
Get it, get it.
It's gonna tip over.
Jedi mind power.
Yeah, he's trying.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hey, good boy. We should go catch us big fish.
Then he'll get excited. Go make him laugh. Sillies. Is that your dada? You love your brother?